Listening practice through dictation. 1. Copyright 2007, Compass Publishing. All rights reserved. Nature and the environment. Unit 1. A picnic by the river.
This is a good spot. Let's stop and have our picnic next to the river.
Good idea. Walking always makes me hungry. I'm ready for lunch.
We can sit here on the grass. Oh no! Someone forgot to throw these empty paper bags away. There is litter everywhere.
Why do people always leave litter around? It's not a nice thing to do. It spoils other people's picnics.
I think they are lazy, or maybe they just don't care. Look, there are some empty cans and glass bottles under that tree, too.
People should clean up before they leave and not leave litter lying around.
That's right. Well, after our picnic, let's pick up all the litter we can and take it out of here.
Okay, and next week, let's come back with friends and pick up some more.
Good idea.